Example 17. A point moves along a straight line so that at the end of t seconds, its distance from a fixed point is t cubed minus 2t squared plus t meters. Find the velocity and acceleration at the end of 3 seconds. So we are given that s is equal to t cubed minus 2t squared plus t. So velocity will be, we differentiate s, yes, dt, giving us 3t squared minus 4t plus 1. And acceleration will be gotten by differentiating velocity, and that will be 6t minus 4. So at t is equal to 3, the velocity will be, that is 3 into 3 squared minus 4 into 3 plus 1. And that will give us 16 meters per second. Similarly, the acceleration will be 6 into 2, which is 3, minus 4, and that will be 14 meters per second squared.